Don't let me find you out here again.
We're trying to help you.
I don't need help.
Not my diagnosis. What gives you the right? What's the difference between you and me?
I'm not wearing hockey pads.
He can't resist showing us his face.
What's he hiding under that makeup?
Can we get a minute, people, please?
Him again. Who are the others?
Another bunch of small-timers.
Some of the marked bills I gave you.
My detectives have been making drug buys with them for weeks. This bank was another drop for the mob. That makes 5. We found the bulk of their dirty cash.
Time to move in.
I'd have to hit all banks simultaneously. SWAT teams, backup. What about this Joker guy?
One man or the entire mob. He can wait.
When the new DA hears about this, he'll want in.
Do you trust him?
It'll be hard to keep him out. And here he's as stubborn as you are.
Be nice when Wayne Manor's rebuilt. You swap not sleeping in a penthouse to not sleeping in a mansion. Whenever you stitch yourself up, you do make a bloody mess.
Yeah, it makes me learn from my mistakes.
Well, you ought to be pretty knowledgeable by now, then.
My armor carrying too much weight. I need to be faster.
I'm sure Mr. Fox can oblige. Did you get mauled by a tiger?
It was a dog.
Huh?
It was a big dog. More copycats last night, Alfred, with guns.
Why don't you hide them and take the weekend off?
That wasn't exactly what I had in mind when I said I wanted to inspire people.
I know. But things have improved. Look at the new district attorney.
I am. Closely. Need to know if he can be trusted.
Are you interested in his character or his social circle?
Who Rachel spends her time with is her business.
I trust you don't have me followed on my day off.